guys, welcome back to my channel. You probably won't see me in this video. I just finished working out and I just wanted to share with you guys how I have my makeup products organized. I know a couple of you guys wanted to see how I have it organized since I have it labeled and everything, so I thought that I would share that with you today. But I just finished working out, so I look a little bit of a mess, so that's probably why you're not going to see me in this video. But we're just going to focus on how I keep my stuff organized for the most part. So I just have a couple of things on top of my Alex drawers from IKEA, and I'm going to try to maneuver this as best as I can for you guys to see. But I'm going to start on this side, and if this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. I hope you guys enjoy this video and my organization of my items and my products and stuff like that. I am currently burning Berry Spritzer, I believe it's called. It's one of my favorites from Bath & Body Works, and I have no makeup on, so you're not going to see me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So let's get into the first drawer. The first drawer is literally like my necessities, or where I keep my jewelry and stuff like that, just miscellaneous stuff. My headphones, jewelry, Advil, tape, measuring tape, my backups of my toothpaste. I use Pronamel, some extra headphones for traveling. I use Dove, and some of my workout bands I have here. And then I also tend to like throw my BoxyCharm cards in here for future videos, and then my ear cuff jewelry, stuff like that. That's my first drawer. My second drawer is my quads, my primers, and my body sprays. So this is my, for the most part, entire collection of my body sprays from Bath & Body Works. I have 4 in the bag from the spring collection that I've already showed you guys, and I'm almost done with 3 of them, and then I have 2 more up there. So overall, that's all of my sprays. I really try not to overdo it so I can get through my product. So once I'm done with the 3 on top over here in the corner, then I'll bring out the next 3 that I want to use for spring. So this is the one that I've been trying to finish and get through. I'm almost there, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. And then I'm probably gonna start this one. Yeah, but this is where I keep like my quads, my smaller palettes. I'm really trying to hit pan on this one still. This is my Holy Grail eye primer by Smashbox. We know this. And then this is my little travel Smashbox little palette. I think I'm almost pan on this one. I'm trying, you guys. I am trying. But yeah, so I have some other quads here. Dose of Color, some Natasha Denona. I have the glitter primer by NYX. I have the little bite-size palettes by e.l.f. And then I have my sharpener in here and stuff like that. ColourPop. So that's how I have that. And then these are more primers, and I believe this is like the banana powder by Ofra. I got that in a BoxyCharm. But I have the e.l.f. Putty Poreless primer that's supposed to be a dupe for Tatcha. I still have not tried this, you guys, at all. Look, it's brand new. I have not tried this yet. I need to freaking try it out. And then I have the Paint Pot by MAC that I've been wanting. Finally got it, and I still haven't tried that out. And then these are all my face primers. I got some Touch and Soul. We got, oh, these are face primers, and then my travel size setting powders. So we got like Hourglass, and this is the Primerizer by Smashbox, where it's also a moisturizer and a primer. We've got that. We've got Laura Mercier, some Tatcha primer, Morphe. I really like these. I feel like these are underrated. These work great. And so does this one, the I Heart Revolution Strawberry Whip Pore Blurring Primer. This is a really good dupe for the, is it the Cover FX? Cover FX? Is it Cover FX? I think that's the brand name. But that one is really good, and it smells like strawberries, and it blurs out your pores, you guys. Like, if you haven't tried this one out, or you don't know about this one is good. And then we have the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. And then this one I got in a BoxyCharm. And then like little travel size ones, Strobe Cream by MAC and stuff like that. I got both primers by Morphe, the Equalizer, and what was the other one? The Revitalizer. So that is in the second one. Getting into my third one. My third one is blush and highlight. And I am literally trying not to buy any blush or highlight this year, you guys. It's very difficult because I just purchased this one by Rimmel. Listen, you guys, I'm just obsessed with highlighter and blush. I love them so much. But this is what we have going on here. I'm not going to go through it all because I think I have some dedicated videos to just blush and highlights. But this is how I keep them organized. I have these cute little glittery organizers. So this is all blush. And this is all highlighter, all types. We've got drugstore, ColourPop, we've got high-end, we got Jeffree Star, BH Cosmetics, Huda Beauty from a mystery bag. I got a little bit of everything in here. This one is another, I feel like another underrated product. It's not a highlighter. It's a face lighter that gives you a natural glow within. So if you're not into highlighter, I highly recommend this one by NYX, you guys, because it is so good. It's super affordable. And this one will give you that all over natural glow for like the quick natural makeup on the go, but you still want to look fresh and put together and have that natural glow within. This is fantastic. I love it. On the side, I have all of my, my Morphe setting sprays. I have 1, 2, I did have 4. I finished one and I gave another one, the other one to my niece who needed one. And then I have another one down there that's not from Morphe. This one I got in a BoxyCharm and this one is pretty good. This is the Manna Carta setting spray. This one down here is, I have all my sanitizers and travel sprays in here and just like everyday items. These are my wall plugs. I have my wallflowers in here. I have my sanitizer holders in here. My pocket back sanitizers. This stuff is all from Bath and Body Works. And yeah, some of my Halloween ones. This is my Halloween plug-in, regular black and stuff like that. So this is what I have in here. These are my sanitizers. I have Band-Aids, my cotton balls, and then I have my moisturizing body washes. You guys, I have absolutely fallen in love with this one. This is my backup. That one, and then I finally got my favorite, my chamomile and bergamot for sleep. That, and then my deodorants. So this is like, I also put my backups in here. My deodorants, and then this one. You guys, I have to tell you really quickly, I am currently using the Vanilla Bean Noel body wash, and I do not like it, but because I paid for it, I'm going to finish it. I do not like it at all, you guys. It literally reminds me of chalk. Like, that's how it smells to me. It's absolutely gross. I'm sorry for you guys who like Vanilla Bean Noel. I am not a fan. And you know what's funny is that I have this, the travel size lotion, and I like the lotion better. It does not smell like freaking chalk on me, but the body wash, no thank you. So, and then I have like my hand creams in here, my favorite Merry Cookie spray, and then my other favorite Winter Candy Apple. This is sanitizer, and then my backups of my Neutrogena wipes. So that's what I keep in here. This is where I keep my nail polish, just in case you guys hadn't seen it or whatever. But at the top part is all OPI, and then down here is a mix of Avon and Essie and a couple of like miscellaneous ones. But those are all the nail polishes that I have. Usually when I go get a pedicure or manicure, I take my own nail polish with me. So getting down to the last one, very simple, very fast. It's all candles. All candles. I just noticed that I only have, it's a bit dusty, you guys, sorry. I've noticed that I only have autumn and like winter candles in here. I have none of the sort for spring. I have nothing for summer. Like, I don't even know if I want to go and get any right now, because I really want to try to burn through these, but I also don't want to burn through like my Christmas stuff. But I do have this, the 4th of July one. This is my Halloween one. I will burn through this one. Autumn Woods is so good, you guys. It smells so yummy. One of my favorites, pumpkin pecan waffles. I didn't get to burn it during the fall winter. I'm probably not going to burn that. And then I have all my small ones. A lot of them are aromatherapy. This vanilla and patchouli one, you guys, it's so good. I didn't think I was going to fall in love with it, but I did. I have that one. I have the pistachio ice cream. I have berry waffle cone. I have pumpkin pecan waffles in the single wick as well. And then I have the aromatherapy, my favorite, the chamomile and bergamot. And then I also have a KKW candle that smells like caramel, but it burns so slow and it's so strong, I'm probably gonna have it for a really, really long time. So let's switch over to the other side. All right, you guys, left side. So the top, I have foundations and setting powders. Please don't judge me. My sponges are bad. Some of them are new, but my niece offered to clean them for me, so I'm gonna have her do that. These e.l.f. strips, you see me use them on my channel. I absolutely love them. Those are the only strips that I use. So I have all of my foundations here, my concealers, and then I have face powders, setting powders, and then all of my Jeffree Star palettes. So that's what I have here. I do have this. I kind of tried it. I have to try it again, you guys. There was big hype over this, and I don't know, you guys. I'm not sure. This is a finishing powder from Morphe. This, I don't know why I still have. I'm gonna toss this. So I got the Blue Blood, Blood Sugar, and Conspiracy palette, and then I have my Becca setting powder, Jeffree Star Too Faced. I just recently got this one a couple of months ago. It's so good, you guys. I freaking love this line. So good. Smashbox, haven't tried it. Beauty Bakery, Flower Beauties by Drew Barrymore. This one is really good. This was actually my first setting powder that I ever bought when I first started getting into makeup, and it's really good. I really like it still. This is some H&M. I bought this actually in Greece because I needed a powder, and I still have it. Yeah, so there's that. And then I have a little KVD Beauty Locket translucent setting powder. I still haven't tried this out. I need to try that out. Pretty much just have it organized like this, you guys. Like, this is all I have here. But I have some Dose of Color. I have Becca, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got NARS. I really like this foundation. My favorite, Smashbox. My drugstore favorite, L'Oreal. I've got some Juvia's Place. This shit is thick as hell, and a little bit goes a long way. This shit's gonna last forever. I've got the Morphe one, which I really want to try, their new concealer. I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills in a stick, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and Cover FX. And then I have all of my my concealers and my color correctors. I have these, so I use these a lot. These are by KKW Beauty. So, and then ColourPop I use a lot. One of my favorite ones is by Born This Way, stuff like that. I don't use this one often. I also have the NYX one that I want to do. I think I'm gonna do a drugstore, a full face of drugstore affordable makeup for you guys. So yeah, so that's what I have up here, and I pretty much just keep it like this. It doesn't bother me to have it like this. I know where it's at. I know where everything is, so it just works for me that way. So my second one is big palettes. I have big palettes in this one. It's not pretty full, but here I've got some MAC spray. It's kind of just out because I don't have a lot, and this is more of like a flatter drawer. So I just have some of my like big palettes here. I have the original one by Jeffree Star, Natasha Denona, Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty. This one is literally my favorite rainbow pastel palette. I love that palette. And then I've got some Juvia's Place in the back, and then another Ace Beauty palette in that one. So that's my big palettes. Then this is probably one of my other favorite drawers. This is lipsticks and single eyeshadows, and this is for me personally, this is how I like my lipstick. Just a hot mess. I'm not one to organize lipstick. I only have an organizer on my dresser over here with the lipsticks that I want to use for like the month, and it has lipstick slots in it. But this is my life right here. And I don't mind it. Some of them I keep in the box, especially you've already seen these, but like the Hank and Henry ones, I still have them in the box because they're signed by him. So they're staying in the box, and I do use them, yes. I also have the red one, the Conspiracy one in the box too, and then the Velvet Trap one in the box. But yeah, I've got everything from Flower Beauty to ColourPop to KKW to Morphe, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Colored Rain, Sigma, Urban Decay, Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, Ofra, NYX, Maybelline, L'Oreal. Yeah, so case in point, very simple. I do have my single eyeshadows though organized right here. This is like a lip scrub. This is a lip mask. I got some of my lip scrubs in here, but most of them are just like single eyeshadows, eyeshadow sticks, Super Shock eyeshadows, the jelly eyeshadows, Dose of Color, I have all the pigments from when Kathleen Lights dropped them with ColourPop, stuff of that nature. KVD liner right here. So yeah, that's how I have that. So moving on, this is my drawer where I have most of my Morphe stuff at, and then like all of my skincare stuff. I think I'm gonna do a skincare video next for you guys, just like skincare and vitamins. I have a lot of vitamins I can share with you guys. If you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up. I have some of these for like face stuff, but this is my Morphe drawer. This is where I have all my Morphe palettes, Jaclyn Hill collabs. This one, I don't even think I've used it, but this was the collab for Pride Month of last year. I like this one better than the year before, so I had to buy it. And I also got the matching mirror and the brush set. I just bought the whole brush set, I mean the whole set. So I have Jaclyn's highlighter brush. Everything in here, you guys, from medium size to small size to the big ones. I've got most of the Morphe palettes when Morphe was like super huge, and it was literally the first year I got into makeup, all I bought was Morphe palettes. Like, they were my favorite brand, my favorite affordable drugstore brand, or whatever drugstore. But yeah, this is solely dedicated to Morphe and my skincare stuff. The only thing that's not Morphe in here makeup wise is my Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette. But yeah, so that's it. And then I'm gonna bring down the cameras and closer so you guys can see the last one. The last one is all of my small palettes. I have a little bit of everything. It goes all the way towards the back. I lock these. If you don't want to lock them, you don't have to, and they can come all the way out. Like, there's one, I think it's my blush and highlight one, that comes all the way out. It's a little unorganized right now because I was actually going through it and decluttering some stuff, and I gave some stuff to my niece. This is what I have. So I have a lot of ColourPop. I have a lot of KKW. I love her stuff. I have Violet Voss. I have a little bit of everything, you guys. I got some Nabla. You've seen me do a look with this. Violet Voss. Sorry for my phone going off. Urban Decay. I literally, when I travel, I do not leave home without this palette because it has everything you need while traveling. But Alamar Cosmetics, I have both of their palettes. I have the Sweet Shop collection palettes. I got some of those. This is one of my favorite palettes by Juvia's Place, the Nubian 3 Coral. Such gorgeous colors. This is like gunmetal, you guys. It is absolutely fantastic. I love it, and I love the formula as well. Very easy to work with, super blendable, does not get muddy or trashy or anything. It doesn't turn into a hot mess. But got some Tarte, got some Persona, a lot of ColourPop, you guys. Got some NYX, Butter London, Urban Decay. Do you guys remember this? Oh my gosh, this was like the shit when it came out. Do you remember that? So pretty. These freaking colors are just fantastic. I love them. I need to use that palette again. And then my Nightmare on Elm Street. This was from Hot Topic. I think I used this once. This is actually a really, really good palette, and the shadows are amazing. But I got some BH back there. So yeah, this is where I keep like all my small like palettes and stuff like that. So now I just made a mess because I'm not organized with this last drawer down here, to be honest with you guys. Kind of throwing everything. I need to reorganize this one. I also have a Viseart palette. There's a video tag of all about my eyeshadow palettes. If you guys want me to do that, give this video a thumbs up too, or just leave me a comment down below and I'll do that. But yeah, this is it, you guys. This is how I keep all of my stuff organized. This is how I keep everything in its place so I know where I have my stuff at. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you have your stuff organized. But I've always wanted a setup like this since I first started makeup, and I'm blessed, you guys. Like, it's just the small things for me, and I know with time comes growth. So I'm sure it'll get a lot bigger than this in the future. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like organized videos, and I will see you in a couple of days. Love you. Bye.